You are going to love the 2021 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, cargo bed light, LED, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, rear step bumper, braking assist. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cargo area 115-volt power outlet, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, child safety locks, multifunction display, one-touch windows, 4.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.